turning on the sound system. So come back here. Switch there. System powers up. The system turns on first prior to service starting. Turn this on, then walk up to the altar. After the mixer has been turned on, walk over here, power up the blue switch. After the blue switch has been powered up, power up this top one, bottom one. Turn up the volumes all the way. Check the microphones that are going to be used. Put batteries in them, whichever ones are needed. After service, turn them off. After the system has been turned on, come over here. Your main volume is down. Pick it up at least to about 0. If channel 1 through 8 is the drums, which we never mess with. Channel 9 through 6, when you select it, the first one's your bass. That one's Joel's guitar, but he's not here. This one is Samuel's guitar. They're muted, the keyboard's muted. Whenever they're gonna play, unmute it, but wait till they get up there to play. Volumes, you control the volumes. 17 through 24, nothing. These are all your voices, but you can see they're all muted, except for these are the cordless mics, which is the pastor's yellow mic, Anna's mic, Magdalena's mic, and then they're unmuted. If for some reason you can't hear them, it's probably because they're muted. Just click it to unmute it. Pick up the volumes as needed. To switch them, come through here again. They're just different, they're layered. So drums, guitar, keyboard, keys, voices, muted. Some of these are not muted. And that's your basic to get the system going. Another thing before I forget, if you want to play music, same thing, go through the auxiliary. You gotta press this one. This one takes you to auxiliary 3 and 4, which is this plug controls that. Plug in your phone. Auxiliary 5 and 6 are for the computer. So whenever Sarah's playing something, they're both linked together. So once you press one, they both unmute. That's for playing any music through your cell phone.